Topic of presentation. Basic parts of speech. Articles. Articles are the word that define a noun as specific or unspecific. Consider the following example. After the long day, the cup of tea tasted particularly good. By using the article the, we have shown that it was one specific day that was long and one specific cup of tea that tasted good. In English, there are two types of articles: definite and indefinite. Conjunctions. Conjunctions are the words which link different words, phrases, and two different sentences together. It gives you the freedom of joining short sentences to make them more elegant and complex one, which is like to make the same sense as the short sentences. Active voice. In active voice, the subject in the sentence acts upon its verb. When the subject of a sentence performs the verb's action, we say that the sentence is in active voice. Sentences in the active voice have strong, direct, and clear tone. Moving forward to the passive voice. In passive voice, the subject is a recipient of verb's action. A sentence is in the passive voice, on the other hand, when the subject is. The passive voice always constructs with a conjugate form of to be plus the verb's past participle.